Are you ready to turn your vehicles look around with Blackmagic Factory Trim Restoring Kit? It's pretty amazing, and I can't wait to show you how it works. Let's bring those trims back to life. So, we're going to take those faded plastic trims and get them shiny, like they just rolled out of the factory. It's all about restoring that original, sleek, black look. Now, here's the great thing about Blackmagic. It's not just a quick fix. It actually penetrates deep beneath the surface and creates a lasting bond. It's not just sitting on top like some of these other products do. Grab a clean microfiber towel and apply a good amount of the liquid. Remember, a little bit goes a long way, and the best part? No greasy residue left behind. Wipe down the surface and watch the transformation. This restore is long lasting. We're talking months here. It not only makes your trims look fantastic, but also offers protection against the sun and rain. Plus, it can handle repeated washing without a problem. And guess what? You won't be dealing with any harsh chemical smells. It leaves a long-lasting, pleasant finish. It's a game changer in the world of trim restorers. Blackmagic Factory Trim Restorer is built to last, up to 200 washes. And it even comes with a 2-year satisfaction guarantee. Now that's confidence in a product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us at Blackmagic Shine on Instagram. If you got any cleaning tips, drop them in the comments below.